I would like to thank the extraordinary gentleman who organized this concert and allowed me to be here tonight. I would like to thank him for this fantastic idea he gave me. I want to tell him and all of you tonight that I hope I'm going to be worthy of this idea. I will do it with my heart and with my voice. Thank you, Baku, again. I love you, Baku. Thank you very much.